So today, me and my dad, say hey dad.
Word up.
We about to ride by some neighborhoods that I've been seeing online. We're not gonna go inside, but we just wanna look at the neighborhood and see what the houses look like, what's around it, since we are in the area. So I just want to take you guys along and I will vlog when we get there. This one we just came to is gated, of course, so we can't go in, but that's a good thing that it's gated. Those look nice though.
Yeah, they different than all the rest of them.
Got good parking. And it's not like right off, like a whole bunch of traffic.
Oh, yes it is. Yeah, what's going on? All these together.
Oh.
And everybody got to get out of here. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So you can get depends on what time you get to leave.
Yeah, that's
Plus, you're going to have some people because everybody got one way to get out.
Make a U-turn and proceed to shift.
That's what I'm saying, though. If you're going to spend your money to buy something, you got to really open your mind up. If you're going to spend $100,000 on a one-bedroom place.
Yeah.
But if that's the case, you need to open up your whole options about a house, too.
Yeah, that's what I've been thinking.
Because you can get a house way cheaper and have more bedrooms and space and everything else. And you can put an alarm system and everything else you want to, just like they do on decorating, you know, them shows.
I mean, the house thing, when the with the condos and the townhouses, they have HOA fees that's supposed to cover like landscaping and all that stuff.
That's
But
the
some
last
of
thing you had to worry about.
Right, that's why I'm like, is that worth it for me to pay a $200 HOA fee every month when,
Then you don't have to pay that because shit, you can get it done for free.
But then, like, what about, like, with a condo or a townhouse, I don't have to worry about roofing and plumbing and all that stuff. With a house, that's all my responsibility, so I don't know. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. This is my grandma. We picked her up on the way so we could go look at some more places.
Okay.
Grandma wanted to ride around too. So we're gonna switch cars and we're about to ride around. This is an agnostic.
Over here?
Yeah, this is one of them. This is what they look like right here.
Oh, they ain't bad though.
Yeah, they look nice.
Yeah, I mean they really do this.
So it's the ones down here.
I like them.
Me too.
What are these?
These are the ones I wanted to
Turn
look
left
at.
on the list.
I would buy
Townhouse.
this if I had a
So
chance.
she was probably talking about these.
I can't hear good now. What is
Yes, these are townhouses that I wanted to look at.
I got time.
Yeah,
See all that
so
garbage
that's
stuff
what she
over
was
there.
talking about, that stuff right
But
there.
these look nice though.
So the one that I
In
was looking at
200
is
feet, the
304.
destination is on your right.
So
Nice
this
though,
one right
baby.
here.
Seriously, I know the
The
neighborhood.
lock box you pass.
Arrived.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
You wanna go back up?
if you want to.
I mean, we can't even go
We
down.
can go around the blocks.
Let's go around the block.
That's why I wanted to see the neighborhood. But yeah,
Let's go
I
around the
really
back
like them.
Yeah, it's a small little spaces.
But they have like their little. So I don't see. Oh, some of them have garages. Some of them don't.
But look, they right across the street from this.
Yeah, she said it's a church.
From the hood. I can look at it, baby.
Yeah, you can go back around the block.
Yeah, see, that's the only thing about it. They right across the street from
Yeah.
them.
So she said these little apartments was back here.
Yeah.
But they got big driveways.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, this is the hood right here. I don't know about that right there.
They're all of it down there. See what I'm talking about? But,
They not gonna end up tearing that down.
they gonna tear it down.
But I
It's a
think
matter
that
of time.
this is a good like investment area.
I think it is.
About to.
Yeah, look,
Have
I'm
you
going
been
back to
in
the house.
and TheMonaLisaa?
No, I haven't been over here before. That's why I wanted to ride around.
Man, it's a trip where they put them at, though. Good God. This is crazy.
They were built in 2000.
It was? Yeah, they got garages, and you just got to put your security camera,
Yeah.
put your stuff around it, you know.
That's what I like, the garage.
But as far as the
And they have
location,
backyards.
it ain't bad. But that's the backyard. It's just like a little sliver of land like this.
And they turned them into parking spots.
They turned what?
Cause they were like all yard, like the ones near the gate, all that red gate. They didn't put concrete on theirs.
Oh, but they put concrete on there.
Yeah, everybody else put concrete and made more parking.
Yeah, I always did that too. That's a lot better than having grass back there. I mean, you know. But that's a part where you park at anyway instead of
Yeah, for
there.
them, theirs is in the back and over
So there's a little
here,
grass right there on the side.
theirs is in the front.
There's a nice little deck up there. But the only thing you have to worry about all, you know,
Looks
It's
like
all-
the one stuff right
where you at.
Well, they're different. But the one I was looking at is a 3-bedroom. So the one I was looking at was one of these. See, I was coming on here, like, my dad was talking a lot of stuff about Atlanta. I don't know how much I'm gonna put in here about what he said, but the city is definitely changing, and you know, it would be wise to buy in an up and coming community, but a lot of these communities aren't fully, you know, transformed yet. So like one of the neighborhoods I was interested in, it was really nice looking, and I know y'all could probably see, like, it's still kind of hood over there. So, you know, my dilemma is, do I want to get in now while it's still, you know, pretty rough, and then in a few years, you know, once they revitalize the area and change everything, you know, then I have, you know, a higher value on my home and I can sell. The only thing is I have to actually live through, you know, crackheads walking up and down the street, and, you know, a lot of the activity going on over there. I would have to, you know, be around that by myself. So it's just something to think about. I have to talk to my realtor about what she thinks about the area. Is it worth it? Like the safety, because the one I really liked is not a neighborhood, like a gated community. So it's literally like the townhomes are on a busy street. So anybody can come around the area, and not like a gate is like super secure. I lived in gated communities that aren't all that. So I've gotten broken into in a gate twice in a gated community, so it's not like that really matters. It's just, you know, I don't know, I just have a lot to think about, and I just want to talk to her about that. But what do you guys think about, like, how they completely changed communities to where they outprice the people that have already living there, you know? it's definitely crazy to see. I just wanted to get on here and close the vlog. I will talk to you guys. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Great job with those updates. They have recessed lighting, it looks like, in the lower level. So this is definitely